Manchester United will be playing against Wolves later today for their Premier League match. I mean, I'm expecting Manchester United to do everything they could because obviously Wolves' team has been seriously out of form. So it is going to be a very, very sackable offense to Ben Amorim if he lost to this match. He go pain us. So Oga, just do everything you could to get us this 3 points. It is very, very vital for our fight for European competition. You better do the necessary. I beg. I'm expecting Manchester United to get a win today. No excuses. Everybody is available from the midfield to the defense to the attack. Most of the players are all fit. So Oga, Matheus Cunha is back. The only reasonable player that I know that is still out injured is no other person than Benjamin Sesko. So I beg, you have no excuses. Do the necessary and get us the 3 points. Anything other than that, Oga, may they sack you. We don't tire. No be fine ball we can't do for feet. Every day you dey call here, and man you dey collect. I beg.